Down here, what is today's date? I guess today is May 6th, the day after Cinco de Mayo. So 6 de Mayo, right? So anyway, I'm down here working on the haunt, right? And mostly, again, I'm still doing cleanup and pulling some things down that have been here that need to be reconstructed. So I'll give you a little bit of a view here of what's going on. Let me flip that around. No, can't flip that around. Anyway, so here's what's going on over here. This is a mess. I'm cleaning that up today, working on getting all that out of here. There was a wall there. We tore that down a couple days ago with the help of my daughter, and so now it's a little bit more cleanup and prep time, getting it ready for actual construction. Hopefully, maybe this weekend I can get started on actually building some things. So that is today's update. I will do a little video clip at the end of this once I get done working to kind of get you updated with what's going on there. So, okay guys, I'll take my headphones off here. Got a little bit done today, not a whole lot, but I'm just kind of taking my time with it anyway. I'm not in a big rush. It's May, right? So tore down this wall that was here. Now the next project is going to be that room right there, getting rid of all that kind of stuff. What's underneath that plastic is some barrels that we used to kind of make a fake wall. And on top of, let's see, on top of a table. That table is going to be used for something over here in this area. So that's going to be a surprise, kind of, right? Based on the theme that we're going with. This is an electrical panel here that we used last year. We put kind of like some little strobe lights inside there to make it look like electricity was going off. We're going to relocate this. This was kind of a boiler room type theme in this particular area. We're going to make a different boiler room on a different area of the room, and it's going to be way scarier than the boiler room was before. So that's the update for what's happening today. I will maybe get to work on this again a little bit this week. Hopefully this weekend I'll knock out a bunch of stuff. I did come to the conclusion that I have some big heavy stuff to move from what was one room to another room, and I was in the process of building a wall here to replace the old one and realized I should not build that wall yet. I need to wait until I relocate all the big heavy stuff, and then I'll build the wall after that to close everything off. So anyway, that's it for today. Bye.